If you've lost access to your Namecheap account, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to recover your Namecheap account step by step so you can get back in quickly and securely. This is a simple process, and I'll walk you through each part so you know what to click and what information you need. If this tutorial helps you, please go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open your browser and go to the Namecheap website. Once the homepage loads, look for the sign in button and click it. On the login screen, you'll see an option that says, Forgot your password. Click that to begin the account recovery process. Namecheap will then give you a few different recovery options, so choose the one that matches what you still remember. You can recover your account using your username, your email address, or even your domain name if that is linked to the account. After choosing the option that works best for you, enter the required information carefully into the field provided. Make sure the details are correct, because this is what Namecheap will use to find your account and send the reset instructions. Once you've entered the information, click Reset Password. At this point, Namecheap will send a password reset email to the address associated with your account. Open your inbox and look for the email from Namecheap. If you don't see it right away, check your spam, junk, or promotions folder just in case it was filtered there. Inside the email, click the password reset link. This link will take you to a secure page where you can create a new password for your account. Choose a strong password that you haven't used before, and make sure it's something you can remember or store safely in a password manager. After you confirm the new password, your Namecheap account will be recovered and you should be able to sign in normally again. And that's it. You've successfully recovered your Namecheap account. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss another helpful tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.